Let's go ahead and bring this elbow up and drop that hand back. Just relax it, not on your head, just relax. All right, and the key with this adjustment is not punching myself in the face. Go and relax. Let it go. Good, perfect. Drop that arm. All right, how's that feeling right now?
Crazy, way better.
Awesome, cool. Let's go ahead and finish the rest of your adjustment. You're gonna go face down. So basically what you're gonna feel is a popping. That's just gas in your joints. Once we're done, everything feels looser, more relaxed, and better range of motion. So,
Let's do it.
all right, so I want you to remember where your arm is right now. So if we hold your arm out, don't only push down, hold. Okay, let's flip it over, hold. Don't only push down that, hold. Okay, so, and let's go out here. Hold, don't only push down, hold. Okay, so let's drop that. Let's check your neck. And we're gonna know right away if it's your neck causing it, because it's gonna get a lot stronger. So I want you just to relax. Let your left ear fall down to your left shoulder. Very nice. Good. We're going to do one more. And drop down the right ankle. You pop your neck usually?
Sometimes.
Okay. Like once a day, once a week?
I guess once a day.
Once a day.
Kind of like on a foam roller maybe, or just like trying to stretch it out.
Okay, yeah, once a day is not a big deal. So let's check this again. So go ahead and hold your arm out for me and don't let me push down. Hold. Does that feel a little better for you?
Yeah.
And let's go palm up. Don't let me push down. Hold.
Way better.
Cool. And let's try this. Hold.
I don't feel that. That's crazy.
Yeah, right?
That's crazy.
Go ahead and drop that arm for me. Yeah, so because you're weak in so many different ranges, it's usually the neck because the nerves from the neck go down the arm.
Interesting.
So even though you feel the pain in the shoulder,
Right.
the neck is the source.
Whoa, I didn't even think that. The Lord told me.
So we still have some work in those shoulders though, because they are forward. So we're definitely going to be addressing this. So you have a big knot right here in your pec. I'm gonna grab my gun. We're just gonna kind of work through that. Yeah, the hardest part about the body is just not getting too caught up in the pain because it really misdirects you.
That's crazy. I didn't even think of my neck. Like, I didn't think that was it.
Yeah. Go ahead and lay on your back, face up. All right, so you're gonna feel some discomfort as I kind of work through this big knot in your pec, okay? You start with your arm crossed. We're just gonna bring it out. Can you do that for me? So we're just releasing all those muscles that are kind of binding your shoulder to your chest. Keep going actively for me. Just do that on your own. Good. Just bring that down to your stomach. You okay?
Yeah.
I know this could be very sensitive. Okay, perfect. All right. Go ahead and and sit up for me. Let's go ahead and bring this elbow up and drop that hand back. Just relax it, not on your head, just relax. All right, and the key with this adjustment is not punching myself in the face. Good, relax. Let it go. Good, perfect. Drop that arm. All right, how's that feeling right now?
Crazy, way better.
Awesome, cool. Let's go ahead and finish the rest of your adjustment. You're gonna go face down. Relax, let it go. Good. Relax, drop that shoulder. Good. Yeah, all these ribs are off here on that left side. So what I'm looking at is just seeing, I'm looking at that asymmetry, and the ribs are higher on the right side. Really all the way down from the neck to the low back. So we're just going to push some of those ribs back in place. So there's no popping with this technique, that's totally normal. You're gonna grab your pelvis, just kind of stretch out those ribs a little bit. Relax, relax, relax. Sorry if you're ticklish. You felt those little ribs pop, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. A lot of people are really ticklish on this one. Good. So then we're gonna look down at your leg length and just see if they're balanced or not. So ideally, they should be even. Your left leg's about a ½ inch shorter than your right. So I'm just gonna have you lay on your side, facing this way. We're gonna balance that pelvis out for you. Towards me. Yep. Just gonna pull this shoulder forward. You'll put your head right there. Nice. And bend this top knee. Good. And just relax forward, let it all go. Good. Perfect. Let's go the other way. Nice. Is it right here?
No, it's more so over here.
Back there. Okay. Yeah, maybe because I kind of put more posterior force and we just push that shoulder. The shoulder might be a little lax. Relax, let it go. Good, there we go. All right, try it again.
Wow, couldn't really even do this before. Great. Wow.
Do you feel this at all now?
Not really, no.
Okay, good. There you go. Do one last thing here. And then we definitely have some work to do on our next visit with the soft tissue. So we're just going to go and do some grasping. Go and bend that elbow. Bring that all the way across the chest. Nice. Good. Perfect. All right, come on up. Feeling good?
Yeah, way better.
Cool.